This 2025 inTech Aucta Willow Rover is a travel trailer RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new inTech is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.